Outstanding design defines the 2013 BMW M5. This four-door, five-passenger sedan still has less than 10,000 miles. It features a standard transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. A turbocharger is also included as an economical means of increasing performance. BMW infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as a tachometer, power front seats, a leather steering wheel, automatic dimming door mirrors, heated seats, and remote keyless entry. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. BMW ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, a security system, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.